Hey friends, welcome to China Coaching. Rob here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the coronavirus, the COVID-19 virus that's spreading around. We're going to talk about how America and Americans are responding, especially to help you guys who are international guests here in America as students, professionals, tourists. We want to help you know what America's doing to safeguard, protect, and respond to the coronavirus. So grab some tea and join us. Hey friends, thanks for tuning in. You know, it's actually really hard to drink chai with that on. And one of the tips is actually, if you're healthy, you don't need to wear a mask. Only people who are sick should wear masks to prevent spreading the coronavirus. So in this video, I want to talk about just kind of the different ways people are responding negatively, positively, and even give you guys some tips to help out with the coronavirus here. Chai and Coach, we want to help you guys succeed here in America, even in pandemics like this with COVID-19. There's been lots of stuff on the news, hopeful things, not so helpful things. We're going to try and weed through that really quickly in just a few minutes to give you guys some helpful tips. First of all, some people are really responding negatively. Yeah, don't panic. Please, people have been panicking and rushing the stores. Stores have toilet paper all gone, food, water, which is crazy because I don't know why people are doing that. Please don't do that. Be calm, be cool. We're not locked down. It's not a zombie apocalypse yet. And if you have issues with running toilet paper, check out our China Coaching videos on how to use water or how to install a jet sprayer. You can survive without toilet paper. Billions of people around the world do. So don't worry about that. Please don't panic. Definitely the economy has been crashing. Gas prices got really low. So a lot of stuff's going on. But yeah, don't panic. Don't respond like that. And don't believe everything you see on the news. Thankfully, America and the government and leaders here are making some positive responses, and tons of news has come out this last week. Just earlier this week here in DFW, there's been reports in Collin County, Dallas County, Terrace County, so there are confirmed cases. It is definitely spreading across America, and unfortunately, I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. But the more that we can be smart, the more we can contain the spread. We're going to limit its peak, and hopefully we'll have the resources enough to deal with those who do need the help, who need the treatment. Some really big decisions were made, like the NBA, the National Basketball Association, has suspended and kind of canceled games going forward. The big college basketball, the NCAA tournament, has also just been canceled. First, they were going to play the games without an audience, so they canceled it altogether. And this is a huge tradition in America. Millions of people are involved. Millions of people watch it, millions of dollars, lots of things are being canceled, but it's for the health. And these are big short-term decisions that will hopefully have long-term lasting positive effects. And so we have to be willing to be flexible with kind of these changes that were going on. I know that companies right now are allowing people to work remotely or trying to find ways to limit people coming to work, still getting pay and make production and jobs happen. So definitely be in communication with your employers and your bosses, see what flexibility there is for you and your jobs here in America. And I know people want what's best in these really trying times, and we want everyone to be careful and be healthy and be safe, which is really important. A lot of travel stuff has been going on as well with travel bans. I know people from certain countries aren't allowed to go in and out, especially from Europe right now where it's really bad. India just issued travel bans for people. It's going to be really hard to go in and out of India. Different parts of America as well, and other countries are issuing lots of travel bans. So be sure to watch travel notices and really reduce travel when it's not necessary. Don't go out of town. Don't go out of state. Try and stay as local as possible and limit being exposed or passing along the virus, because you may not even know you have it yet. A lot of events are being canceled right now. I've gotten tons of emails this last week about conferences, meetings, concerts, big events that are going on. Even just local groups and clubs and things are all canceling the foreseeable future of things. And so it's hard, but again, we just have to be flexible. Again, hopefully a few weeks, a few months of not doing things, and this thing can blow over versus we keep trying to do life regularly in these non-normal times, and it could just prolong it and make it worse and cause more spreading and more risk and more harm. So we have to be willing to say no to a few things right now for the greater good. Also, just this evening, we got a message that our kids' school is going to be closed for a little while. We're just coming to the end of spring break. They're going to extend spring break for a week, and then we're going to see what's going to happen. And then I know the colleges, a lot of the colleges have begun to announce extended spring breaks for 1 or 2 weeks for some quarantines, and then also a lot of classes are being moved online for higher education. And so be on lookout for the notice of those kind of things from your professors, from your teachers, from the universities. that classes might be going online, and that's a huge effort. Some professors are ready for that, some aren't. Some are technologically savvy, some aren't. So be flexible again. Be willing to make your best effort. We definitely don't want to throw away this whole semester of classes in school. So there might be actually going a few days longer or a couple weeks longer into the summer if that allows people to finish. I know there's a lot of freezes in hiring right now. Interviews are kind of being paused. People are worried about jobs. We're going to make another video soon about just what to do for current international students and their future jobs after graduation, or for incoming international students, what to do. Are they going to be able to come this fall? We'll make another video about that soon, so stay tuned and leave a comment with what kind of questions you have about that. If you're an international student or international professional, what questions do you have that we can help you with? And yeah, just a couple of tips. Again, let's limit large group gatherings. We want people to, kind of self-quarantine, self-isolation is what's really helping right now, is just reducing the spread. Again, lots of washing hands, covering coughs, sneezes, all those kind of basic simple things. Don't go out if you're feeling those symptoms. So some of the common symptoms are fever, muscle or body aches, sore throats, coughs. Be sure if you're feeling these kind of things, stay home, take rest, don't spread it. What's been crazy is people have gone to work, got to school with this virus and have spread it, even if they've known it. So we need to make sure that that's not happening. Yeah, go get tested if you're feeling sick with these kind of things. Better to be safe and extra cautious. Cleaning and disinfecting things as well are important. Just the things you use a lot in your home, things touching your hands before you eat, all that kind of stuff. They also recommend not touching your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, where things come in and out of your body. And again, they also don't really recommend these if you're not sick. It's only good for those who are sick to wear these, or maybe medical professionals who are treating people to wear these. But again, don't try and rush the store and buy all these up. Save the basic things for people who really need them when you don't really need them. So those are just a few helpful tips. Again, there's a lot of information going around, a lot of messages going around, some helpful and not helpful. Just be advised, follow legitimate sources, especially the World Health Organization and the CDC. Follow notifications from your employers, from your schools, from your universities, from reputable sources, and those are going to really help you out. And again, please don't panic. Think, not just for yourself, but how you can help other people and make decisions that are going to also help other people in this situation. We can all get together through this. I'm definitely praying. Hope you guys can be praying, patient, and just considerate. And you know what? Hopefully it's all going to work out and we're going to be okay. And yeah, in the meantime, enjoy a slower pace of life. We're waiting to see what happens, and grab some chai, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.